In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Accounts tab, bottom left, and then from here, you have to select the account you want to trade with. So I'm going to go with this demo over here. So as you can see, if I tap on it, I can select from real and demo accounts. I'm just going to use this demo standard I have over here to demonstrate this to you. Then you want to go to the bottom where it says trade and tap on that. And in here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things. Now, of course, if you have a specific crypto coin or token in mind right now that you want to trade, you could just go to the top right and tap on that search button and look for it. For example, if I type in Sol, let's see what happens. And if I do the check mark, there we go. It's not actually going to show me anything. It appears like Solana is not actually available over here. Let's try Ethereum. There we go. As you can see, Ethereum is available. For example, I can tap on it and start trading it. However, if you would like to see all cryptos, you could go to the up top where you can see at the bottom of where it says trade, it says favorites, most traded, top movers, and if you actually swipe that through, you'll see here it says crypto. When you tap on crypto, it's going to basically show you all the different cryptos which are available for you. So as you can see right now, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum up top. Let's just say I want to buy some Ethereum or trade some Ethereum. I'm going to tap on it. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to pop me out a chart. I can go ahead and do some technical analysis. I can look at the historical price, stuff like that. So of course, you can do that if you wanna. And then at the bottom, you can see it says buy and sell. And this is where you can actually trade. So if I tap on the buy button, for example, it's going to pop up this buying window, and I can even slide it up further like this, or just by tapping that settings button to the right of where it says regular. And then from here, you can of course then set up stop losses, take profits, etc., and set the volume. Now, if you want, for example, a market order, which will buy at the current price, you can tap market. If you want a limit order, which will buy or sell whenever you basically set the price. So for example, if I do the price at 2,500, it's going to buy when the price reaches that much. And of course, you can do that if you want to. And then you also have the stop order over here in case you want that as well. Now, here I'm just going to do a market order and set the volume to, let's just do 0.11 over here. There we go. And then you can of course set take profits and stop losses if you wanna. I'm going to skip this right now. And I'm just going to tap on confirm buy at the bottom. And as you can see, the order has been opened. The exact same thing could be done for sell orders. So if I tap on sell here, as you can see, I can go market, limit, stop. And then of course, I can select everything and create my order and then tap on confirm sell at the bottom. And it's going to do the job for me. Now, whenever you've done that, of course, you've successfully opened a trade. You can of course go back to your accounts at the bottom left, and in here you can easily see your open orders. So it says open there, and you can see I have a bunch of open orders over here. I can just tap, for example, on this Ethereum order, and it's going to show me all the details. I can close it. I can go ahead and additionally set a stop loss or take profit, and I have a bunch of different options as well. So that's basically how to trade crypto on Exness mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.